Are you on the lookout for the latest and greatest smartwatch? Today we're taking a closer look at the Apple Watch Series 8 to see if it's worth the investment. In this video I'll be reviewing the latest addition to the Apple Watch family, the Series 8. With its impressive features and accurate activity tracking, the Series 8 has already earned a reputation as one of the best smartwatches on the market.
However, is it really worth the upgrade if you already have the Series 7? Stick around to the end to find out.
But first, let's take a closer look at the features and design of the Apple Watch Series 8. The Apple Watch Series 8 is similar in appearance to the Series 7 with a rectangular face and rounded corners. You can choose between 41mm and 45mm screen sizes with prices starting at £419 and £449 respectively for the aluminium case versions. There's also a 4G version that requires an eSIM from £529 plus carrier fees. It comes with a silicone strap available in various colors including blue, purple, green and orange, but other alternatives are available, including leather or metallic linked bracelets, at an additional cost of course. The Series 8 has built-in GPS, both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and a color OLED display that's permanently switched on by default. The screen has a resolution of 484 by 396 pixels. On the 41mm model, it's 352 by 430, which is still a high resolution for a watch of this size.
To use the Series 8, it needs to be paired with an iPhone running iOS 15 or later, and of course, like all the Apple Watches, it's not compatible with Android phones.
Moving on to its features, the Apple Watch Series 8 is a good option for a fitness all-rounder with a built-in GPS and water resistance up to 50 meters. You can track many different activities including running, cycling, swimming, rowing, yoga and more. It also has a built-in altimeter that can track your elevation when you're out for a hike or a bike ride. The Series 8 has an SpO2 sensor and can take electrocardiogram (ECG) readings. It can also alert you if it detects irregular heart rhythms. Additionally, it has a fall detection system that will make an emergency call if it believes you've had a hard fall and aren't able to get back up. The Series 8 has several exciting new features such as an accelerometer that can detect if you've been involved in a car crash and automatically call emergency services if you don't respond within 20 seconds. It also has a sensor that can detect changes in your skin temperature, which you can use to get a better understanding of your menstrual cycle and track when you might be ovulating. Men can also use this feature to learn more about their general well-being. The Series 8 has a wide range of smart features, including the ability to read and respond to texts, WhatsApp messages and emails, as well as receive calendar, weather and social media notifications. You can also use it to make contactless payments via Apple Pay, control music playing from your phone, or store music on the watch itself using its 32 gigs internal memory.
The setup process is straightforward and it already has all the necessary apps installed. When you activate the watch, the phone automatically detects it and starts the pairing process.
You can then choose between different options, such as the font size you prefer or whether to have the display permanently switched on. The Apple Watch Series 8 has improved battery life compared to the Series 7, lasting around 2.5 days with normal usage. However, it is not as good as some rival models, and using GPS drains the battery considerably. It takes an hour and a half to fully recharge, and the magnetic charging cradle is excellent. In conclusion, the Apple Watch Series 8 is a fantastic smartwatch with plenty of features to keep you connected, healthy and active. While it doesn't differ significantly from the Series 7, the new features such as the car crash detection and skin temperature sensor make it a worthwhile upgrade if you really want or need them. However, if you're on a tight budget, you may be better off going for an older model or the Series 7.
Check the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 unboxing next if you're interested in smartwatches, and see you on the next one.